Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. Might be even my most favorite video of the year. The 100,000 YouTube subscriber button. Yeah boy. We're gonna unbox it. Let's go. Look what we have in our midst as well. The new Stelvio F900GS. Yeah, still have to clean up my garage as well. Alright, I've put the cozy fire on the side. It's time to unbox this little puppy. So yeah, acts kind of dirty though. So this thing, for the people who do not know what it is, it's called a YouTube play button. You get this thing for 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers, 50 million subscribers, and 100 million subscribers. But I'm not Mr. Beast, so probably not ever gonna get 100 million. But hey, you never know, you never know. That's also not really my plan to do this. But this is a play button in the motorcycle niche. And I'm very proud to see that as well. So yeah, in today's video, we're just gonna unbox this little thing. It's not much to open though. That's it. Behold. Normally there should be a white paper on top as well. With that, we got this very soft stuff over here. Oh yeah, here we go. You got the white paper right here. There's also a little postcard on it as well. The little card says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. YouTube Creator Society Awards." And then we have the paper right here. Recognition that you worked hard. God dang it, my helmet hair. I just went on the Moto Guzzi ride. Yeah, just took the Moto Guzzi out. Helmet hair always looks better as my normal hair. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th? Chances are you do, and I do remember. So there's a couple of guys that have been here from the start, and I do appreciate all of you. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. I do show up a lot on recommended videos as well. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because you and the community you've built. Yeah. But let me show you the button. I do have to be honest, it's not really my first YouTube play button. Not really sure if some of you already know that, of course, but some of you watching don't. I'll show you the other ones in a second. So yeah. Oh yeah. They also got a YouTube Creators Awards. We got the it's like a golden thingy. If one of your subscriber buttons get damaged or whatnot, you get an email and you can send it to get another one. I think they do charge for like 250 or 300 euros just to get one or something. They're quite expensive. So yeah, for the rest, it's not something special in the box. It's just a box. Also, just a quick fact that not a lot of people of you probably know. But if you make, get the moist package right there. So what not a lot of people do know, if I get paid for 1,000 euros on YouTube, YouTube also gets paid 1,000 euros. So it's a 50-50 revenue split. Yeah, because of course I put my videos on YouTube for free and YouTube helps me out. Look at that thing. That is special. I'm not gonna lie. This is my sixth. This is already my 6th YouTube play button. Yes, I have 6, but this for me is more special because this is my channel. This is about me, my personality, and my motorcycle journey. So I'm very pleased with this one. God dang it. So yeah, I do have to say, let's put it on the wall. Yeah, not everybody might know about this, but I have a couple more. So yeah, as you can tell, it is not my first YouTube play button. It is actually my 6th. Now, the first one I got, the first 2 of course, with my dog. As I explained in a couple of videos ago, a while ago, when I said my dog died about 8-9 months ago. Well, those 2 buttons are from my dog's channel. And then a couple of years later, I was like, hey, I saw this experiment channel, and they were getting like millions and millions of views. And I was like, hey, I can make the same videos just like that if I just analyze and spend some time on that channel. And I did the same. So I analyzed some experimental videos, I threw some videos online, and everything went viral as well. Got I think like 30-40 million views in 2 or 3 months, something like that. So channel exploded right away, got 100,000 subscribers really quickly with that as well. And then I was like, I'm kind of creative. And then I got to know with a German friend of mine. He does animations. So I was like, hey, I got some ideas. Can you animate those ideas for me? And he was like, yeah, sure, I can. So I created some videos. He made some animations of it. And didn't really take long before that channel also went over 100,000 subscribers. That channel has now 600,000 subscribers. The big one for my dog who died has about close to 4 million. Then the other one I have is about, this one is also a compilation, more of a wider range of dogs, of my dog's channel. That has about 850,000 subscribers. So we got almost 4 million. 850,000. This one is about 600,000. The experiment channel is now 220,000 subscribers. And I also got that one. I still have a couple more smaller channels as well, but I'm currently not working on those. Yeah, because as you can tell, I'm making a lot of motorcycle videos now. And lately, I really fell in love with making motorcycle and car content as well. But making all of these motorcycle and car videos does cost a lot of time, also costing a lot of money. You guys are absolutely phenomenal, liking my videos, sharing my videos, commenting on those videos, and that helps the channel out a lot.
Thanks! Love you! Forever!
And also the people in the membership section, because, you know, picking up a motorcycle, putting gasoline in it, spending an all day recording, making a script, what am I going to say? And I also have my own editor at the moment. He's editing my videos at the moment, so I have some more time to pick up more motorcycles, do more unboxings, ride more, and just let him do all the editing work and the behind the scenes stuff. So yeah.
Oh yeah?
So yeah, I could of course get myself, I still have my other dog, I could get a puppy or even 2 puppies and get back into the dog business and create some more viral videos over there. We generated over 3 billion views. So yeah, I've worked in a factory, in a shitty factory for Heinz Ketchup for 13 years. And I was an injection molding mechanic, technician for about 5 years. So yeah, I've spent 18 years in a factory before I did YouTube half-time for the last 3-4 years. I worked in a factory because my views went up. I got invited by Google, I got invited by YouTube, I went on trainings. I still have almost monthly online trainings with Google and social media and whatnot, and YouTube as well. So yeah, I'm following the trends, and I'm pretty good with like analyzing YouTube and stuff. And that's also what I have to do with this channel, and I really have to focus on this channel. But the last 2 years or 3 years ago, well, I started uploading more motorcycle content and also some Suzuki Jimny content, and a lot of people started loving that and having conversations with people, building up a community, having a lot of fun with you guys, having some laughs. And I enjoyed that so much that the last 2 years I've spent just way too much time on this channel as well. And I'm gonna be spending a lot more time on this channel also. Just building my community, hanging out with you guys, hanging out with some friends, just having a lot of fun, getting more people involved, boy versus girl stuff, motorcycle rides, hanging out, making videos with the police, unboxing. So it's gonna be a lot of hullabalooza. And of course, I'm dropping all of the other bigger channels, but make no mistake, the amount of subscribers is not relevant to how many views you get. Because on this channel, I'm like the smallest motorcycle journalist in, I think even in the world now, that just started out. I got some good shorts as well. I did 8.2 million views on this channel in the last 28 days. That is a lot. In the motorcycle world, that is really good. That is really good. So yeah, I'm really focusing on getting the community to grow on this channel and taking you guys for a ride. So having a lot of fun. Still need Yamaha and Triumph to be in my fleet. I don't have them just yet, but.
Hello, Fred. Hello, Woody. Goodbye, Woody.
So yeah, it has been quite the journey from the factory where I was absolutely depressed, messed up, screwed in the head. I wasn't happy with my job. My boss wasn't happy with me. I wasn't happy with my boss. We just needed to split. And I waited for 13 years until that factory was picked up and put in England. So we all lost our jobs. But then again, I started working more on YouTube. YouTube kind of worked out. I got a little bit more creative, the channels got bigger, and at the end I could like quit my daytime job and just become a full-time YouTuber. So now, last couple of years, I've been doing YouTube full-time for like 4 or 5 years or something, I think. And the problem now that I have is when I start creating videos on a daily basis, because for the last 12 years, I edited all my videos, all of them. All the Reels, all the Shorts, all the TikToks, all the YouTube videos for all the channels. So at the moment in total I have about 15 YouTube channels. These are not just the 6 when I started, I even started more. So I have 15 YouTube channels in total, and I manage from friends also 10 YouTube channels that I analyze sometimes. So it is a lot of YouTube and a lot of video creation in my brain. And sometimes I couldn't even sleep because I had that many ideas. So I had to calm myself down a little bit. And that's also why I started SmokeyTube last year, the SmokeyTube course, my own online YouTube course. I know, a lot of people are like, oh, online courses, and they're all scams, and they're all this, and they're all that. I get that. I see that a lot with like the dropshipping guys and the get rich quick money guys. I really get frustrated by them just as much as you do. But in a world where there is not really a good YouTube educational course or whatnot, with somebody that actually has the numbers, I'm like, I like explaining stuff. I like teaching people stuff. So last year I started the SmokeyTube YouTube course. Now already I cannot complain. It's just me. I already have over 100 students into the course. So that is behind my wildest dreams as well. Also building a new social media course also. Next to, like I said, most of the channels I dropped. Some of them are just easy videos. So some of them I kind of post rarely, 1 video a month maybe. But now it's just full-time Life of Smokey, full-time motorcycle-related content, because that's just what I love doing. The traveling, meeting other journalists, meeting the brands, the people behind the brands, that is just epic. I cannot complain about that. That is epic to be doing. Even if it makes less money than the other bigger channels that I could easily make more money with, it's not for me, it's not more. I'm getting 40 years old by the end of the year. Don't forget that, December 26th. So send me gifts. I'm getting 40 years old, and now I'm just more like, I just want to enjoy my life, have some fun, and it's not about the money anymore. You have to pay your bills, you have to put gasoline into the tank, but still, it's more like, I just want to have fun, hang out with friends, and just have a nice life. So yeah, like I said, I only get paid by YouTube. I don't get paid like other journalists do by magazines and advertisement by brands. I absolutely don't. There is no single brand that is giving me any money. I might charge them money, but no, I absolutely do not. Nobody's paying me any money, so the only money that I'm being paid off is YouTube ad revenue. And that is thanks to you guys. So if you like, comment, and share, the video gets recommended more, I get more views. If I get more views, I get paid more. It's as easy as that. And at one point, the channel did pretty well the last couple of months, so I can start doing giveaways. The more money my channel makes, the more giveaways I can do. I would love to give away a brand spanking new Royal Enfield as well. So the more you like my videos, the more you share, the more you comment. We also have memberships. The memberships is just a monthly subscription. I think it's like €3 each month. But example, if there's like 2,000 people into the membership section and it's €6,000 a month, I could be giving away a Royal Enfield to any of these 2,000 people every single month. Now that would be awesome, right? That would be cool. Also, the monthly memberships, now I just started this, so I have 8 people into it. So the 8 people that are into it right now, they will pop up on top of my channel in random orders. So if you go to my main page, my main channel on YouTube, you will see that the monthly Smokey support team, is on top. So that is cool, right? And next to the YouTube channel with the motorcycles and the cars and the SmokeyTube YouTube course, yeah, you guys have seen it and heard me talk about it a couple of times as well. Every time I bring motorcycles back, well, I clean them. And everybody keeps asking me, Smokey, what soap are you using? And then I have some, I give free commercials to other brands. And sometimes when I send something to these brands, they just don't send me back because they're just that big and they just really don't care about customer service. They just want to sell their products. So I was like, how can I get my own soap business to get going? So yeah, I contacted a couple of different companies that were doing retail and have like major years of experience in cleaning cars and motorcycles and in the industrial business. So I found a company. They have been active in 56 countries for over 40 years. and we came up with some cool stuff. Yeah. So the first one, gotta start with the, look at that. This is a design of the first one. It's how the bottle is going to be looking as well. Look at that. This is just printed on paper, so it's gonna be a little bit more shiny. So we got the Smokey Bubbles. This is just hilarious. The Smokey Bubbles blueberry snow foam. So this foam will turn blue and smells like a little bit blueberry-ish. Of course, these are like chemical smells, so it's not really like they didn't crush like blueberries into it, but it has a little bit of that smell. It turns blue. It's like a fat foam and a pre-wash, pH neutral, very good for the environment as well. And you know, it takes off the, it loosens up the dirt, and then after that you can use the sherry shampoo. You guys should smell this. If you smell this, it's like you want to have more. If you smell this one time, you're gonna order 10 bottles right away. This is some really good stuff. So also child protective knobs on top, so your kids cannot open it and drink it up. So yeah, the sherry shampoo after the blueberry snow foam, you use these two. And if you're like really lazy and you're like, I just want to have one bottle to do it all, it's gonna be the Mud Muncher. Yeah, the Munch Muncher is a little bit higher on the alkalic scale. Is a little bit, it's like pH 11. If you put this 2-3% in water, the rest fully filled up with water, and you put this in a foam cannon, you will just see the dirt run off. This is some good stuff. This is really good stuff. Tested and approved by Smokey, my own Mud Muncher. This smells like brown soap from your grandma's house back in the day. You know, when your grandma just cleaned the house and it smells like the brown, we call it groene zeep in our country. Yeah, this smells like Granny's house. Yeah, so it's coming. And I also got the Smokey wheel cleaner. But like I said, last 15 years have been really with ups and downs. There has been a lot going on in my life. Started from absolutely nothing. I started from working at a conveyor belt, Heinz ketchup, just putting boxes from a conveyor belt with ketchup filled onto a pallet. That's actually how I started. And now we're here. I can't complain about that. I also want to thank each and every one of you guys just for subscribing to the channel. Like I said, liking, sharing, commenting, and becoming a member of the channel. Smokey support team. God dang it, how life can change if you really want something. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned because we got a lot more cool stuff coming up. Thank you all so much. See you guys in the next one. Drive safe. Peace. See ya. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to SmokeyTube.com. And over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course.